And then similar to other reports that we've created in previous demonstrations when we're talking about things like deferred revenue or prepaid expenses, a report that I would recommend setting up and memorizing is a report that shows me the uncleared tips, right? So that total should always match to the total that's on my balance sheet if I run it for that same day. So I'm going to create that report now by going to Custom Reports and Transaction Detail. I'm going to filter this for that account specifically, right? Employee tips payable. And I'm going to change my dates to all. Now I'm also going to add an additional filter for cleared equals no. And then what we'll be able to see is that accumulated balance, right, that's in that balance sheet account is $500. And this is the version that I memorized, so it doesn't have a to date. So I usually will add that to a client's icon bar. So I'm going to add that to icon bar, and I'm going to call that employee tips payable. So that way it's right up here on my icon bar. And again, if you ever need to free up any real estate, you can customize your icon bar. You can delete a couple of things that we might not need up there right now. So I can quickly get to that report. And then if I go and run my balance sheet report, and let's just say I'm running it for, I'm doing my month-end process. So let's say I'm running it for 9/30. I can see that I have employee tips payable of 500, and that reconciles to what I have on my custom transaction detail report. So we could use this report here as kind of a sub-schedule when we are, proving out these balances on our balance sheet. We reconcile our, bank account. We have a report we can run for undeposited funds, but we're focused on employee tips payable today. So we've got that report set up right there. And then as additional tips accrue, and we have payroll transactions that we're recording to reflect the amount that we're paying out in tips, we would see those getting offset. Okay.